What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about none other than Solana. It's been one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market, and by obvious reasons, we're seeing it now amongst the top three. Trending on CoinMarketCap, you could see number one on the trending list over a lot of these other cryptocurrencies that are currently listed on CMC, but it's been for a reason. It's surpassed Bonk, it's surpassed a lot of the other hot even meme coins, Pepe, Shiba Inu. Solana is being talked about quite a bit. And I introduced it to the channel about a month ago when I got into one of the meme coins within the Solana blockchain, Myro. And honestly, guys, I've been so impressed. Over the last 7 days, we're up 58%. In the month, 100.89%. And if you just look at the 1 year, up 940% year over year. So after what seemed like Solana was going to be a nobody, it was going to nothing as a layer one protocol. We know with everything that happened with FTX. And aside from that, just the overall sentiment of NFTs dying as it was one of the biggest NFT hubs, if you will, where people were launching different NFT projects on the Solana blockchain because it was a lot more favorable in terms of its gas fees and transaction speeds being so much better than ETH. People were resorting to Solana. But the question becomes, where are we going? Where are we headed? And can we continue to bet on this specific coin to becoming top three cryptocurrency, holding its place and hopefully not only doubling in valuation and going back to all-time high, but maybe going up 4 or 5x, maybe a 10x from here, $1,000 Solana. Could we see that this coming bull run? I'll go ahead and give you guys some of the reasons as to why I believe it's very much possible. So first and foremost, let's talk about this specific article that was published on You Today just about 45 minutes ago. Solana edges out Ethereum in key trading metric. So pay attention to what the numbers and data is telling us. Solana has overtaken Ethereum in 24-hour perpetual futures trading volume, a key performance indicator in the cryptocurrency market. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Solana's trading volume reached a staggering 5.56 billion USDT, surpassing ETH's 4.68 billion USDT trading pair. The shift in market dynamic comes as Solana experienced a 7.51% increase in its price over the last 24 hours. I say it all the time. Regardless if blue chips versus meme coins, it doesn't matter. Green candles are one of the best ways to market a product. If your product is going parabolic or it's doing well, or that asset is doing well, people tend to ask questions and begin to FOMO. Perpetual futures are a type of derivative contract that allows traders to speculate on the future price of cryptocurrency without an expiry date. So basically, you can say, I think this token is going up, so therefore the futures flags bullish. So then it says these instruments are integral to the liquidity and price discovery of the crypto market. Solana's lead in this metric is particularly noteworthy given that Ethereum has long been a dominant player in the field. And it's saying firing on all cylinders. Solana maintains its lead on volume percentage, 8.43% against Ethereum. We know Coinbase volume, 24-hour daily trading for Coinbase. Solana has surpassed Bitcoin and ETH combined over the last few days. Furthermore, Solana's market cap has soared above $50 billion, establishing a significant contender in the crypto space. Adding to Solana's impressive performance, it has recently surpassed ETH in 24-hour DEX volume as well. So meaning DeFi, meme coins, that side of crypto, Solana's starting to become a hot topic. And that's why if you're following me on Twitter, if you aren't, check out the link down below to my Twitter. I would consider doing so because that's where I'm doing a lot more speculative trading, more degenning, if you will, meme coining and trading things that are still extremely new, very high risk, but also come with potential high reward. This marks yet another milestone for Solana, challenging Ethereum's stronghold in the decentralized finance or DeFi sector. People can't justify spending $200 on a transaction or $75 or even $100. When on Solana, you can spend 5 cents, 3 cents, a penny to transact to buy new tokens. So it's becoming a little bit more apparent that Solana is not only here for a short time on this price surge, instead, maybe potentially a long time. And do I dare say, Solana has the power and the ability to potentially surpass Ethereum as a layer one. Why do I say that? I understand there's centralization risks and issues with Sol relative to ETH, but the fact that it's faster, the developers are extremely active on social fronts, they're having conversations with community members, they're attending spaces and joining and talking to people. I'm just seeing a lot of more proactivity from Solana than Ethereum. I'm a Solana newbie. I'm new to the blockchain. I just learned how to trade in the month of November, just a month ago. But I established a pretty significant position in Sol. And it's already up almost double in the last month. 100% gains is something that I can never complain about. While with ETH, if you were holding ETH for the last month, you're looking at a cool 9% gain. But again, I think everything is going to be relative. Come a bull run, full-fledged bull run, we might see that $5,000 to $10,000 ETH. But what if we see $1,000 Sol, $1,200 Solana? And what if Solana does surpass Ethereum? With that being said, could it 10x from here to a $500 billion market cap, taking a significant market share from other layer ones like Cardano, AVAX or Avalanche, Polkadot, and many more? It's very much a possibility. And I want to take that as my risk appetite is allowing me to. So you have to assess yours, of course, as always. Never financial advice by any means, but I'm starting to notice that Solana definitely has its staying power. I appreciate you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you started establishing a position in Sol? Were you one of the ones who took the risk back in December, November last year in 2022 when it was at $10 per coin and bought up back then? Because now you're already up 10x. For every $1,000 you put in, you were at 10K. But now the question is, will it 10x again? I believe so, but only time will tell. I appreciate you guys so much. But that's all I had for you really for today. But keep an eye out. The overall fear and greed index for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market is looking better and better. And you need to start paying attention to 24-hour trade volume. There's this huge spike that we're seeing. You guys see that right there at the bottom right quadrant of my screen. Right over here, 24-hour volume for BTC is going absolutely nuts. And of course, the overall global cryptocurrency market cap, it was at all-time high near that 3 trillion mark. And right now we're approaching. We're at 1.7, 1.66 trillion, halfway there, halfway to achieving previous all-time highs. And we know from bull run to bull run, we tend to see a double, a triple, a 4x from previous bull run highs for those that are noteworthy cryptocurrencies. So make sure you always keep that in mind. And again, Bitcoin dominance, it's been interesting, and we know how money flows into crypto. Come into Bitcoin with the Bitcoin spot ETFs and everything else that's exciting the market. And then it will flow into the big blue chip altcoins, followed by then more DeFi, more speculative, lower market cap plays. So again, I think we have some extreme things to look forward to. Bitcoin volatility is coming down. It's holding steady. And that by itself excites people. We have the Bitcoin halving, many more things to look forward to. So I think, again, option volatility is decreasing. Open interest overall in the market is increasing. So again, a lot of the bull flags, the greed and fear index, one of my favorites, currently at 72. Remember when it was at 20 last year with the FTX collapse? We are now over triple where it once was in the midst of the bear market. So again, I think overall the sentiment is bull run next year in 24, which is just around the corner, only a few days left in 23. So right now is a good time to consider dollar cost averaging into your favorite assets. I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.